And of course, the officials, led by our famous coach Carlos Queiroz, who I have great pride in, that he is the coach of the Blackstars. We couldn't have asked for any better coach, and we are very, very proud. I love the profound statement he made ahead of the match that if they are calling themselves 3 lions, we have 33 million lions, and so we cannot be intimidated. And that is the psychological edge we had. And you demonstrated that no team, no matter how highly rated, can intimidate you or can cow you into submission. And we are all so proud. You have brought back the love, the patriotism, and the respect that we have always had for the Blackstars. And we have no doubt that you are going to make us proud, and you are going to go very, very far in this tournament. Ghana Blackstars.